Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue iPhone stuck in zoom mode. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. You can see right now zoom mode has been enabled in this phone. So because of that it's very difficult to use. I need to use 3 fingers to navigate. See. First I will show you how to zoom out and exit from this zoom mode. Then later I will show you how to disable or turn off zoom mode. So first, using 3 fingers, just tap anywhere on the screen. So that way we can zoom out. Just tap anywhere on the screen using 3 fingers. So now I can enter the password. See, now I am in. Next I will show you how to turn off zoom mode. Go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go to accessibility. Select zoom. Here we can see zoom. Tap here and disable. So done. So this way we can permanently disable this zoom mode. So this way we can fix issue iPhone stuck in zoom mode. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.